निखिल, आई हैव समथिंग टू से टू यू।
बोलो।
मेरा बर्थडे आने वाला है, कोई गिफ्ट दिलाने वाला है, पार्टी दूंगी मैं सबको।
मेरा बर्थडे आने वाला है, कोई गिफ्ट लाने वाला है, पार्टी दूंगी मैं सबको।
नहीं, हो गया, एक ही बार होता है। गाइस ये मीम है, मैं कॉपी कर रही हूँ। वैसे मेरा बर्थडे आने वाला है। We are doing some walkie. Weather is very pleasant. It's going to rain. Guys, you need to try this hot chocolate. This is from Coco Sutra hot chocolate, Swiss vanilla flavor. This turns out exactly like बाहर का hot chocolate. So yum. Right now it's raining, तो हमारा वो hot chocolate वाला tradition चल रहा है अभी तक. Cold coffee था and now it's hot chocolate. So let's make some. Of course I've spilled some milk, but my concoction is ready. If you manage to make this texture concoction का, then your hot chocolate is just going to turn out perfect. ये वाला थोड़ा सा, it's not the perfect texture but चलेगा. I have done my experiments and I know that this one just is going to turn out really well. It's ready. Let's go give this one to Nikhil.
Really good.
Cheers. This is so good. I've tried so many hot chocolate. This one is the best so far. Hi guys, it's the next day. I just recorded 2 full-fledged YouTube videos on my new camera. If you guys watched my last vlog, I told you guys that I upgraded to a new camera and it's here. It's actually been almost 2 weeks, I want to say, since I received the camera, and I have filmed a couple of videos. I've already posted a couple of videos from the camera, but the first 2-3 videos that I filmed was on automatic mode. Today, actually last night, I sat down, watched a couple of YouTube videos. Why am I so out of breath? Actually, I've been speaking from almost 2 hours, which is why I'm out of breath. And today I actually recorded with manual mode. I am yet to transfer the footage and see how it looks like, but I really hope it turns out well. But first, let me tell you why I wanted to upgrade my camera in the first place. If you guys are not interested, maybe you can skip a few minutes, but I personally love watching these kinds of videos from other creators, because honestly at this point there are so many creators out there, and I'm sure people are just wanting to upgrade the quality, the audio and stuff like that, and these kinds of portions in any content creator's video is really helpful and has always helped me before. So I just want to talk about this as well. Maybe it might be helpful to somebody else. So the camera that I was using, actually before I get to this, I did have a DSLR, the Canon T3i, T4i, something like that. I actually started my journey on YouTube with a DSLR, and then ultimately I found it the hassle was not worth it for me, because I don't do this full time. I wanted a camera which is very quick. I just open, I mount it on, and I'm ready to go. I don't have to do a whole bunch of settings, change the settings and stuff like that, which is why I think in 2020, if I'm not wrong, I bought myself the Canon G7X Mark II. This is the camera, and ever since then I've been using this. So convenient. It's so lightweight. Like, honestly, it has contributed to such an easy process, and the setup and everything became an ease with this camera. So easy to film and record with this. You also have a flip screen on top, which, yes, I shattered last year, but it still records. It's still a great camera. But the reason why I wanted to upgrade was because this one does not record 4K, right? So nowadays, if you notice, everybody is posting 4K videos, be it YouTube and Instagram shorts, short form content basically. This one did not record, so I wanted to upgrade to a 4K camera. Now again, I did not want to buy another DSLR or like a heavy camera, so I did some research and found out that the camera that I upgraded to is this one. I just recorded with it. This is the new camera. This is the Sony ZV-E10. So with this camera, the flip screen is actually on the side and not on the top. You also get a lens for the camera, which is what I'm recording with currently. But the great thing about this camera is, with this one, the Canon G7X, you cannot upgrade or change the lens. This is what you get, this is all you have got. But with this one, the great thing is you can actually change the lens, which is incredible for the price that you're paying. With this one, you get a creator's kit. So you get this tripod thingy, you get a mic, and a few other things in the creator kit. But I personally did not feel the need to buy everything, the creator kit, so I just bought myself the camera and the lens, and I think it costed me around 50k. If I'm not wrong, I'll again put the link or the actual amount on the screen. But I honestly see such a huge difference in the quality already. Like, even if I'm filming from a distance, it still captures the eye makeup really well. The colors are standing out so beautifully. With this one, I loved the overall vibe that this was recording, or the quality that this was giving me. But one thing that I noticed was this did not record the details extremely well. Like, if I'm doing like a super beautiful, if I've spent like 30-40 minutes in my eye makeup, it would not transform the same way on camera or in the footage, which is why I have been meaning to upgrade, and I'm so happy that I'm finally seeing that difference in the output with this camera. So I'll actually now insert a few footage of, you know, some of the new makeup videos that I've captured with the camera, and you can clearly see the difference. I am yet to explore certain options, certain features in this camera. It's very new, but so far I am really liking this camera. So only thing that I personally don't like is there's no touch screen with this. With this one, I actually had the option to scroll the pictures from the screen itself. The Sony one does not provide that option. You actually have to use one of the buttons. That's the only thing, but so far I'm loving it. Okay, so that's pretty much it for all the camera information. Now I think I'm just gonna change and relax. I've been filming for 2.5 hours. I have a huge mess to clear up, switch off all the lights and everything, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, we are headed to Phoenix Market City Mall, जो कि हमारे घर से बहुत दूर है, और प्लान इसीलिए हुआ था because the weather was nice, it wasn't raining, and the moment we step out, it starts to rain. What's new, right? But I'm not complaining. हमें बहुत जतन से बारिश हो रही है, तो really happy about that. But the reason why we're going there is because we wanted to check out Zara and H&M collection. H&M तो है हमारे सामने के malls में भी, but Zara is not anywhere in our nearby malls. So that's why to Phoenix Market City, and it's quite far. So let's see. We're going there because June I have my birthday, and I hope to find anything for my birthday. I might be traveling somewhere, may or may not, not sure, but yeah, let's go check out the collection. इस बार गुड्डू भी आ रही है. Guddu has never been to Phoenix Market City, and she has never shopped anything for herself from Zara. We might change that today. Guddu, are you excited about Zara, by the way? तू क्या कुछ सोच के जा रही है, क्या लेगी नहीं लेगी?
तू दिला रही है ना, जो सबसे महंगा होगा वो खरीदूंगी.
मैं दिला रही हूँ जो सबसे महंगा होगा वो खरीदेगी. आई एम जस्ट रीहाइड्रेटिंग क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है आपकी आवाज़ यहाँ तक शायद पहुँच नहीं रही. आई थिंक आई एम एक्साइटेड टू सी दोस वो स्क्वायर वाले बॉडी सूट जो अभी पिंक एंड ब्लू में आए हैं. दैट लुक रियली नाइस ऑन द वेबसाइट. बट आधा टाइम तो ऐसा होता है कि वॉट यू आर सीइंग ऑनलाइन वो मिलता नहीं ऑफलाइन. सो बाय. इसके पास में VR मॉल है where we have H&M, so we can check out both Zara and H&M. Where's मम्मी? कितनी क्यूट लगे चश्मा लगा के.
मुझे एक बॉडी सूट,
आई डोंट वांट रिब्ड राइट नाउ. रिब कौन पहनेगा?
मुझे रिब्ड चाहिए.
अभी गर्मी में रिब पहनेगी?
इट्स नॉट मोटा बट इज इट
ये H&M से ले लेना, 799 में मिल जाएगा. We can get this chocolate brown. Material is really nice, like very soft. These are for 690, I believe. No.
पिंक अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, वो अच्छा लग रहा है.
We are now in VR Mall, which is right next to the Phoenix Mall, because H&M and Westside is here. So let's go and see if we find anything at H&M. Hey guys, it's the next weekend. I know I'm only able to vlog on the weekends. Weekdays तो मैं भूल जाती हूँ कि मुझे vlog भी करना है. But okay, update on the shopping spree that we went to last weekend. हमें ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 आवर लगा घर पहुंचने में, बिकॉज इट वॉज रेनिंग. थैंकफुली हमें कैब मिल गई विच वॉज ग्रेट. बट घर पहुंचते पहुंचते सबकी बैटरी वॉज कम्प्लीटली डाउन. एंड एज फार एज ज़ारा's कलेक्शन इज कंसर्न मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला. मैं वैसे ड्रेस के लिए गई थी, लाइक बर्थडे ड्रेस या कुछ समथिंग स्पेशल, समथिंग यूनिक, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. सो आई बेसिकली बॉट 2 पैंट्स फ्रॉम Zara, दैट्स इट. समथिंग क्लासिक जो मैं बार बार पहन सकूँ. एंड गुड्डू ऑल्सो पिक्ड अप 1 पैंट फॉर हर सेल्फ, एंड दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट. फिर हम गए वहाँ से H&M. नथिंग, एब्सोल्युटली नथिंग, वहाँ पे भी कुछ नहीं मिला. सो इफ़ यू आस्क मी, शॉपिंग एट Zara ऑफलाइन वॉज अ वेरी एवरेज एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी. कुछ भी नहीं मिला, मतलब मॉडेस्ट चीज़ें तो मिलना दूर की बात. बट नाउ इफ़ यू गाइज नोटिस्ड, निखिल वॉजंट देयर विद अस लास्ट टाइम, तो अब हम जा रहे हैं उसकी शॉपिंग के लिए. एंड लाइक आई टोल्ड यू गाइज लास्ट टाइम, वी माइट बी गोइंग ऑन अ स्मॉल मिनी वेकेशन, तो वो भी शॉपिंग करनी है उसकी. मैं तो ऐसे छोटे छोटे निकनैक्स ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करती रहती हूँ. बट या, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end this vlog today right now. It is also my parents 30th wedding anniversary, तो उसके लिए मैं new fresh vlog start करूँगी. But that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification right next to it, follow me on Instagram right over here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.